What will our lives look like when we reach our 60s and beyond? For many, the thought brings up worries, high blood pressure, aching joints, diabetes, weight issues, or simply the struggle to manage daily tasks like cooking, cleaning, or moving around. Losing independence and needing help with basic needs is a reality that many fear. But what if there were a practical, long-term solution that could ease those concerns, and all for under $220,000? Meet the Tesla Optimus Gen 3, a humanoid robot created to revolutionize what aging can look like and redefine the idea of living independently. At first glance, it's easy to be skeptical. A robot? Really? Isn't that just some clunky piece of tech you'd see in a sci-fi movie? Can it actually help in real life? And is it safe to rely on something like that? Those were our exact thoughts a few years ago. But now, with the third-generation Optimus in action, it's clear this isn't your average robot. With a sleek, human-like form, it can walk upright, prepare meals, tidy up, garden, shovel snow, and even adapt to your personal needs as you go about your day. So how does it know what you need? Optimus Gen 3 is the most advanced creation to come out of Tesla's robotics division. It operates around the clock. No breaks, no complaints, no fuss. Its built-in sensors track key health indicators like blood pressure and heart rate, helping it detect issues before you even feel them. Picture this. You're sitting on the couch watching TV, and before you even notice something's wrong, Optimus identifies an abnormal heartbeat and notifies you, a loved one, or even a doctor. It's like having a built-in health guardian by your side at all times. One of the most impressive things about Optimus is how naturally it moves. Its legs are engineered to mirror human motion, letting it walk up and down stairs, carry items up to 20 pounds, and gently assist someone to stand from seated position. No jerky or mechanical movements here, just smooth, efficient action that makes daily life easier. If you drop something on the floor, it'll pick it up. If you need a steady hand to reach the kitchen, Optimus will walk beside you, giving you support you can trust. And with a battery life that stretches up to 20 hours per charge, it's more reliable than most of us after a long day. Let's not overlook something essential: personality. A lot of people assume robots are emotionless, distant, or boring. But Tesla addressed that too. Optimus can carry a conversation using natural, friendly language. It can answer your questions, engage with you, and even tell a joke or two. Human interaction plays a huge role in mental health, especially as we age, and this robot is designed to be more than a machine. It's a companion that listens, responds, and brings warmth and connection into your daily life. Now, when it comes to cost, here's where things get interesting. In the US, long-term care facilities can easily cost around $5,000 a month. That's $60,000 a year, and it adds up fast. So imagine this. Instead of paying that monthly fee year after year, what if you could make a one-time investment in a high-tech assistant that lasts over a decade with minimal upkeep? That's a financial game changer. No vacations, no scheduling headaches, no risk of human error, like mixing up medications with a microwave. Just reliable, around-the-clock support designed to keep you healthy, safe, and independent. Elon Musk has shared on multiple occasions that Tesla is aiming to price the Optimus robot somewhere between $20,000 and $30,000. There's also growing speculation that Tesla's upcoming robotaxi, known internally as the Cybercab, might be priced similarly, likely landing around the $30,000 mark. In a recent update on Platform X, Musk clarified that although Optimus and Cybercab could eventually reach prices as high as $60,000, Tesla's ultimate strategy for affordability revolves around large-scale manufacturing. The idea is simple. The more they produce, the cheaper each unit becomes. Musk has made it clear in past interviews and statements that he doesn't want Optimus to be a luxury item reserved for the elite. His long-term vision is to make the robot accessible to everyday people. Right now, it reportedly costs Tesla about $10,000 to build a single Optimus unit. With a sizable profit margin and increasing demand that could translate into billions in revenue as the product scales. This stands in stark contrast to other humanoid robots like Boston Dynamics Atlas, which comes with a jaw-dropping price tag of around $150,000. A major advantage Tesla holds is its ability to reuse and adapt its existing automotive technologies. Many of the components used in its self-driving cars, like cameras, sensors, processors, and software, are being integrated into the robot. On top of that, Tesla's experience with electric motors, AI systems, and energy-efficient electronics has helped streamline Optimus development and keep costs in check. While the idea of having a personal robot at home by 2025 may sound like something out of a sci-fi novel, that's exactly what Musk envisions. He wants to bring down the cost over time to the point where a humanoid robot is more affordable than an EV. And Tesla has already teased this future. They released a small collectible version of Optimus for just $40. It sold out almost instantly on their website, and resellers quickly started listing it on platforms like eBay, with some listings reaching prices between $100 and even $10,000. If this still feels too futuristic, consider Tesla's track record. They've turned once unthinkable ideas into reality, like electric cars that can beat supercars in performance and rockets that return safely to Earth. So why not a home robot that helps with daily living, making life easier, healthier, and more independent? Think of Optimus not just as a gadget, but as a personal assistant that can make breakfast, mow the lawn, fold laundry, or even help educate your children or grandchildren, without you needing to hire outside help. The robot's value goes far beyond tech. It's about giving you back what matters most: time, energy, and money. By handling routine tasks, Optimus could free up hours of your day, letting you focus on family, hobbies, or simply resting. Musk has suggested the robot could even be used to generate income, especially by taking over repetitive or hazardous jobs. And in a world where many people juggle work, chores, and other commitments, having that kind of help could be life-changing. Now, when it comes to performance, many people wonder how long Optimus can actually run before needing to recharge. Tesla claims the robot is capable of working up to 20 hours per day, powered by a 2.3 kilowatt-hour battery. In practice, that might be a stretch, especially in high-demand environments. Even so, the robot only needs around 15 to 30 minutes to top off its charge, which means it could function in several-hour blocks before needing a brief rest. Realistically, it may be able to perform in 6-hour cycles, with a few quick charges throughout the day to hit that 20-hour target. What makes Tesla's Optimus truly remarkable isn't just its ability to operate for long hours, it's how it learns. Elon Musk has shared that Tesla is building a system where the robot won't need to be programmed line by line. Instead, it will be able to learn tasks simply by watching videos. In practice, that could mean Optimus could watch a recipe tutorial and then cook the meal itself without leaving a mess behind. Picture this: it's Sunday, and instead of grabbing cleaning supplies, you just put on a YouTube cleaning video and let Optimus do the work while you sip your morning coffee. That's the future Tesla is aiming for. But for the robot to perform those tasks with precision, its hands need to be incredibly advanced. Tesla says nearly 80% of a robot's capability to complete real-world tasks depends on how functional its hands are. That's why they've made significant improvements to Optimus' latest hand design. The newest version of Optimus comes with 22 degrees of freedom in its hands, making them some of the most sophisticated ever built for a humanoid robot. The previous model could already handle delicate objects like eggs and watering cans. But now, Tesla claims this version might be able to tackle far more delicate tasks, like playing an instrument or threading a needle. With these advances, Tesla is pushing the boundaries of what's possible in robotics. Of course, a big question is how Tesla will make sure Optimus doesn't learn anything inappropriate or unsafe when watching online content. That's an issue the company will have to tackle as this technology evolves. Still, the speed at which this learning approach is expanding Optimus' skill set is astonishing. Before it becomes widely available, Tesla plans to roll out a rental option, giving customers the chance to test the robot before committing to a full purchase. This approach allows people to experience the robot firsthand, while also giving Tesla valuable feedback to refine the design. It's a smart strategy that lines up with how Tesla usually introduces cutting-edge technology. Musk has often voiced concern about the dangers of artificial intelligence, even comparing it to the threat of nuclear weapons. That's why Tesla is embedding safety into the very foundation of Optimus. Even after it hits the market, the company plans to monitor performance closely and issue recalls if needed, especially to protect vulnerable groups like children and the elderly. A big focus for Tesla right now is ensuring Optimus can function safely and reliably in all kinds of environments. While Tesla's self-driving cars have made huge strides, building a humanoid robot introduces a whole new set of challenges. Cars, after all, operate in a structured environment with clear rules. But a robot needs to interact with unpredictable human behavior, something much harder to anticipate and program. Unlike a vehicle navigating lanes, a robot has to move through a fully three-dimensional space. It must recognize objects at different heights, handle fragile materials, and respond to countless unexpected situations. To do this well, Tesla is investing heavily in AI training and gathering real-world data to teach Optimus how to adapt. Musk is confident that big progress will come quickly. He's hinted that we could see major breakthroughs by late 2025. The speed at which this happens will depend heavily on how quickly Tesla can scale up production. While thousands of units haven't yet rolled off the line, Tesla's expertise in mass production gives it a solid foundation. Meanwhile, other companies like Boston Dynamics are also racing to develop useful household robots, making this an exciting moment in tech innovation. Tesla is putting serious resources behind making Optimus a reality within the next few years. By using the same computing platforms found in their cars and applying lessons learned from scaling electric vehicle production, Tesla could potentially manufacture Optimus at an unprecedented pace. It's easy to forget that Optimus is still a relatively new project. Tesla first revealed the concept during its 2021 AI Day, with nothing more than a static prototype and a man in a robot costume dancing awkwardly on stage. At the time, the idea was met with mixed reactions. But since then, Tesla has shown that it's serious about bringing this vision to life. As production ramps up, Tesla continues to refine everything from the robot's motors to its mechanics, aiming to build an efficient, cost-effective platform. These improvements are essential to creating a robot that's not only powerful, but also affordable for both personal and professional use. From the beginning, safety and reliability have been core to the Optimus design. Tesla's consistent efforts to fine-tune its technology reflect a clear vision: to make Optimus a trusted assistant in our daily lives. With a target price under $20,000, would you consider bringing a Tesla bot into your home? Could it be the helping hand you've always wanted for the boring or time-consuming tasks in life? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. We'd love to hear what you think about this future with robots by our side.